Looking for a tube pans? Our kitchen appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 best tube pans available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect tube pans for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list. We have the Chef-Made Angel Food Cake Pan. Non-Teflon, food-grade silicone coating, no harmful material release at high temperatures, PTFE and PFOA free. To ensure uniform heating, thicker 0.8mm carbon steel is used. Improved advantage for appropriate use and to avoid warping. Ensure that the service life is extended. With less natural cooking oil, excellent non-stick results might be achieved. Baking time is cut in half and energy consumption is kept to a minimum. It's simpler to release and clean. Make high-quality home foods, afternoon tea, feast desserts, and other delights in a short amount of time. Daily cooking, home dinners, friends gatherings, festival celebrations, and other activities are simple to manage. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 6 on our list. We have the Chef-Made Mini Bundt Pan Set, 4-inch 4 PCS non-stick tube pan. Chef-Made has designed a set of 4 small Bundt pans that are perfect for making baby Bundt cakes. Carbon steel is used to make this set of 4 tiny Bundt pans. Because the manufacturer recommends against cooking directly over an open flame or in a microwave, you must pay close attention to such information. This cloth is fragile, and you will need to treat it with care. The interior and outside of the newborn utensils are both non-stick coated, however dishwasher use is still not recommended. Because the proportions are obviously limited, keep in mind that one of those pans may only accommodate a half to 1 cup of batter. You won't have to worry about the weight because it's about as light as it gets. It's brilliantly colored, but it's also the sort of complex design Earl enjoys fancy items in her kitchen. My concern is that discoloration may occur when using washing brokers, however the color is just aesthetic and has no impact on the baking characteristics. At number 5 on our list. We have the Norpro Non-Stick 6-Cup Mini Angel Food Bundt Cake Kitchen Bake Pan. The Norpro Mini is definitely worth considering if you like preparing single-serve treats, whether for a bake sale or a dinner party. The baking timings may most likely change from those for full-size versions, but thankfully, this pan comes with a variety of recipes to get you started. Norpro has a wide range of high-quality, long-lasting products to make all of your baking tasks easier and more efficient. Norpro has you covered, whether you're preparing savory or sweet treats. At number 4 on our list. We have the Wilton Angel Food Tube Cake Pan. In terms of both quality and price, this is a mid-sized tube pan. The price is more appealing. Nevertheless, you must remember that it comprises 2 bits. Now, for a smooth flat upper cake pan, a 2-piece pan is typically ideal. That is due to the ease with which the cake can be removed, but you should be wary of the one since the batter might leak in the pan. You should also be sure you'll be able to hand wash this tube pan, because putting it in the dishwasher would utterly ruin it. At number 3 on our list. We have the Fat Daddios PAF 10425 Angel Food Cake Pan. This tube pan is constructed of anodized aluminum, which gives it a lot more strength and durability. Furthermore, it features a long-lasting, non-reactive finish for a wide range of recipes. It's also freezer safe, so you can use it to store the cake once it's been baked. The device uses a system that reflects heat rather than absorbing it, which speeds up the baking process. It also helps the cake cool faster once it comes out of the oven, preventing overbaking. Furthermore, this item's anodized metal is a great feature. Anodizing is a safe and environmentally friendly process that uses no hazardous chemicals. Rust, additives, or flakes will not be allowed in your baked goods. At number 2 on our list, we have the Casaware Fluted Cake Pan 9.5-inch ceramic coated non-stick. This Casaware pan has received great marks from those who have tried a variety of Bundt pans. This pan has 2 non-stick coatings, which let the cake slip out easily and without leaving any residue. However, the material is not aluminum. Instead, it is carbon steel that has been covered with a granite counter coating for protection and longevity. Although I dislike carbon steel, I feel that this combination might produce excellent results. Several ladies complimented the creator on how light this Bundt pan is. I stated that before because I know how difficult it is to keep heavyweight bakeware scorching hot. I want to give credit where credit is due, therefore Casaware, you did a fantastic job. And finally at number 1 on our list, we have the Alton Advanced Non-Stick Fluted Mold Baking Pan. The Alton Advanced 9.522 Fluted Mold Pan is made of heavy gauge steel to ensure even heat distribution and easy cleaning. It is also non-stick. This is a medium-colored pan with a wide rim and rubberized handles for better handling. It's suitable for milder cakes. It's dishwasher safe and comes with a lifetime warranty. If you want to make Bundt cakes, keep in mind that the fluting on this pan is shallower than on comparable pans, thus your cake arrangement will be less noticeable. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.